Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on color correction. If you're using Vegas Movie Studio 16 Platinum, this will work in that program as well. Just follow along with it. The effects are listed a little bit differently, but they still have the exact same effects I'm going to be using here today. So here I have a video clip I took when I was creating UFO videos years ago using After Effects and Mocha for motion tracking. I create UFO videos. They look pretty realistic, but that's another story. So we're gonna correct this color and make this color pop a little bit better, make it look a little more brighter and more contrast, and we'll make this guy really pop. So first of all, before you do any color correction, you want to adjust the levels or the brightness and contrast. So let's go to brightness and contrast, to the default one to the clip. Let's boost up the contrast on this. Don't go too much. Oops, no way. Don't go too much. Right there is good. Now let's go to color corrector. The default one to the first track. And I want the sky to really pop. I want the blues to really come out. The greens, the saturation is really nice in the greens. Greens looks nice, but I want the blue to really pop. So for low, let's drag the low up to the blues. I like nice dark blue skies. And the mids to the blues. It's getting dark already. And the highs to the blue. Let's see what it looks like here. Toggling off and on. There's definitely a difference there. This guy's a lot more bluer. I can play around a little more. Don't want to go too much, it won't look realistic. The sky looks actually pretty good there, right there. Nice and dark blue sky. And the other colors aren't affected by the blue at all. Green is so nice and green. And the tan siding is fine. So basically, all you have to do is just play around with the low, mid, and highs. You can adjust the saturation if you want, but that starts to get a little oversaturated. If you do too much adjustments on there, you're going to oversaturate everything and it's going to look not realistic. So basically just play around with these settings. You can go to, if you want, if the sky was washed out, you can go to the reds. Make the sky a little redder if it was washed out. The sky's actually pretty nice here right now. The exposure on that day was actually very good. It was a very good exposure when I was taking a video of with the camera. But just experiment with these levels. Just dragging these around until you get to something that looks very realistic. And just toggle it off and on. So here, toggle it always off. So right now, it looks washed out a bit. So click on the brightness and contrast. And the color correction. And the colors really pop out now. So once again, there's no set rule against doing it right or wrong. Just don't go overboard and make anything too oversaturated. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, I guarantee if you browse my videos, you will find one you will like. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.